It's never been harder to get a U.S. business visa than it is right now. Bonds, long wait times, mandatory interviews, new surveillance systems. Just stepping foot in the U.S. for a meeting or a conference has become a legal minefield. But I'm here to help you navigate it. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international business law expert and best-selling author. For nearly 3 decades, I've helped clients from startup founders to multinational executives cut through the red tape, avoid costly mistakes, and secure the access they need to grow their businesses across borders. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a U.S. business visa in 2025, the right way, the legal way, and the smart way. Let's start with what's new, because the rules aren't what they were even 6 months ago. Now, here we are in August 2025. The U.S. State Department officially launched a 12-month visa bond pilot program targeting B1 business and B2 tourism visa applicants from select countries. If you're from a country with a high overstay rate, a weak passport vetting system, or a citizenship for sale program with no residency requirement, you may be asked to post a refundable bond of $5,000, $10,000, or even $15,000 just to get your visa approved. This bond isn't automatic. It's determined by a U.S. consular officer based on your risk profile. If approved, you'll be issued a single entry visa, often valid for just 90 days. And yes, the full bond is refunded if you follow the visa rules and leave the U.S. on time. But if you overstay or violate your terms, you lose that money and possibly your future visa chances. This is a big shift. The bond program is designed to act as a deterrent, and it's catching people completely off guard. Too many applicants are showing up to interviews unprepared, unaware, and ultimately rejected. Now here's the reality check. Visa processing is slower across the board. According to State Department data, B1 and B2 visa appointment wait times have jumped 69% since January. That's not a typo. That's nearly 70%. It means you'll need to apply months in advance, and not just for travel date, but for the interview itself. And speaking of interviews, starting September 2nd of 2025, nearly all non-immigrant visa applicants, including business travelers, will no longer be eligible for interview waivers. That means in-person interviews are back for most people. You'll need to schedule an appointment at your nearest consulate, show up with the right documents, and make your case. Now let's walk through what the process looks like. First, you'll complete Form DS-160 online. This is the backbone of your application. Every word must align with your intent. Now, if your application says you're attending a trade show, but your supporting documents suggest investment talks, that inconsistency will raise red flags, so be precise. Next, you'll gather your supporting documents, invitation letters from U.S. partners, meeting agendas, proof of ongoing business in your home country, financial records, and anything that shows your intent to return. Now, immigration officers are looking for one thing: ties. Ties to your country, your business, and your family. The stronger those ties, the stronger your case. Now, if you're from a visa bond country, you'll be informed at your interview. If required, you'll be asked to post a bond through pay.gov and complete a form, and that's I-352. The funds are held by the Department of Homeland Security and refunded only if you meet all terms of your visa. It's serious and it's being enforced. Now, assuming you're approved, your visa will be issued, but keep in mind, if you're under the bond program, you may be required to enter through a specific U.S. airport that can verify your departure using automated systems like facial recognition. That's how they track compliance. These entry ports are being announced gradually, so don't just book your ticket without checking. And one final thing, just because you entered the U.S. doesn't mean the government stops watching. Under the new continuous vetting policy, visa holders are monitored even after arrival. New criminal charges, changes in your travel pattern, or suspicious activity could result in visa revocation without warning. So to sum it up, here's the reality in 2025. The process is harder, the stakes are higher, and the consequences for mistakes are real. But if you prepare properly, apply early, and follow the rules, you can still make it work. That's why I do what I do. I've seen businesses collapse because of missed opportunities and others explode with growth just because they had the right visa at the right time. You deserve to be in that second group. Now, if you found this helpful, if it gave you the clarity or the confidence to move forward, please like this video and hit subscribe to stay up to date with real-world, lawyer-vetted strategies for doing business in the United States and beyond. See you in the next one.